Hey guys, so let's compare the specs of these newly released Doogee smartphones, the S100 Pro versus the Doogee V20 Pro. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. And thank you guys for your support. As you can see, we are currently at 10,000 subscribers. So thank you guys for supporting the channel. So without further ado, let's quickly dig into it. So the S100 Pro has a thickness of 27.3 millimeters, but currently its weight is unknown. While the V20 Pro has a thickness of 14 millimeters and it weighs 296 grams. So the S100 Pro is thicker than the V20 Pro, and I expect the device to be heavier than the V20 Pro as well. Both devices are also rated IP68 and IP69K, and they are both military standard ACE10H compliant. I hope you guys understand what this means. For those of you that do not understand, it means these devices are resistant to water, dust, high pressure water, and so on. Let's move on to display. The S100 Pro has a 6.58-inch IPS LCD Full HD Plus display with Gorilla Glass 5 protection, while the V20 Pro has a 6.43-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with Gorilla Glass protection. Both devices runs on the Android 12 operating system, and under the hood, the S100 Pro is powered by the Helio G99, while the V20 Pro is powered by the Dimensity 700. Moving on to memory, both devices utilizes 12GB RAM and they pack a 256GB internal storage. Moving on to cameras, the S100 Pro features a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 108MP primary sensor, a 20MP night vision camera, and a 16MP ultra wide. While the V20 Pro also features a triple camera setup at the rear consisting of a 64MP primary sensor, an 8MP wide angle lens, and a 24MP night vision camera. The front facing camera of the S100 Pro is 32MP, while that of the V20 Pro is 16MP. Now let's talk about battery capacity. So the battery capacity of the S100 Pro is 22,000 mAh, while that of the V20 Pro is 6,000 mAh. Both devices supports 33 watts wired fast charging. So other features of both devices includes NFC. The S100 Pro supports Bluetooth 5.0, while the V20 Pro supports Bluetooth 5.1. Both devices supports GPS, Wi-Fi, and both devices also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. They support face unlock. The S100 Pro has stereo speakers, but both devices do not support a 3.5mm headphone jack. So these are the top specs of the S100 Pro and the V20 Pro. In my opinion, both devices are great devices, but of course I'd like to hear your thoughts about these two devices, so feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.